Here are a few helpful tips when using WordPress. Go to the Appearance menu, then click Customize under your current active theme. Navigate to the Styles menu and look for the Layout option. Here you'll find the Content Width parameter. Right now it is set to 100%. On the page, you can see that all the content stretches fully across the screen. Sometimes when you are just getting started, the default value may not be 100%. In that case, you'll notice the content doesn't fill the entire width of the page. So you can adjust this value to suit your needs. When using ASCIIfy components, pairing a light text color with a dark background color creates that classic terminal look. For video content, it is best to use clips under 30 seconds for optimal rendering, and the higher the resolution, the better the result.